Hi guys, my name is Nicole McGrath and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I will be telling you how you can get Tubebuddy Pro free for a lifetime. Yes, you heard me correctly, free for a lifetime. There is only certain criteria that you need to have in order to access this deal. So first you gotta make sure that you have only got 2 videos uploaded on your channel, right? So my channel is very new, okay? I have got 37 subscribers and I have got 2 videos uploaded on my channel, okay? So the first thing you need to do is to log into Google Chrome. Make sure you install the Tubebuddy plugin, right? So when you install the plugin on your desktop, you should then be able to link your YouTube account to your Tubebuddy account, right? Once you're in your account, then you will see that if you have got Tubebuddy and it's free, you will see the free version, which you can see on the screen. I have got the free version before I got Pro for Lifetime, right? So for a very small fee of $39, okay, that is US dollars, you can have Pro for a lifetime. Yes guys, so instead of paying $9 every month, which is quite a lot of money, right, you get a lot of features with Pro. You get a lot of features with Legend. You get minimal features with the free version of Tubebuddy. So make sure you get onto this deal, because this deal is very essential, I think, for your channel to grow on YouTube. Okay, you need to have less than 1,000 subscribers. You need to have about 2 videos uploaded on your channel, and you will be entitled to have the $39 deal. If you have got more videos on your channel, you will then be able to access the $99 deal. Now guys, you can do your calculation and try and calculate how much in your local currency this will amount to. Now the link that I have got in my description box is from this very good content creator, and this is his link for Tubebuddy. So feel free to upgrade via this link. He is an affiliate, so he will get something from this offer. Only a small portion he will get, but that's not what you will be paying. That's what Tubebuddy will pay him. And as a courtesy, I downloaded Tubebuddy and upgrade via this link, and I just want to say thank you so much for providing the link for us to be able to obtain this offer on Tubebuddy. His name will be on the screen, and his channel name is also will be on the screen as well. Okay, so guys, when you go ahead and download Tubebuddy and you upgrade Pro, then you put in your banking details, and it's as easy as that. You will be able to access Pro from now on without ever paying for Tubebuddy Pro ever again. Okay, so for me, that's just brilliant. That's absolutely outstandingly brilliant, right? That is an amazing offer. That is, right? I have got Tubebuddy on my second channel, Portland Angel, and I've used Tubebuddy now for over 2 years, so I can vouch for them. They are very good at helping with SEOs and ranking on YouTube. While this channel here is about learning and growing on YouTube, learning and growing the right way on YouTube. So if you like my contents here, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on when I post my latest video. Okay, hope you enjoy this video, and hopefully I'll catch you on the next video. Okay, Bye.